What's up guys, this is Prachi and I was just about to sit down for my skincare routine and I thought why not just film it for you guys, tell you what's been happening to my skin of late and of this awesome new discovery is called the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Creme. Okay, I really want to talk about this particular product in today's video because it's been such an amazing, remarkable discovery. The most important essence of this product, by the way, is salicylic acid. Before proceeding, let me tell you a little bit about salicylic acid in case you missed my previous videos where I have talked about it. Salicylic acid is basically this amazing, almost magical ingredient for cleaning up your skin. It cleans your skin so well, guys. So what it does is that, it's basically an oil soluble beta hydroxy acid, or BHA, okay, like it's called in short, BHA. And what it does is that, on the surface of the skin, it exfoliates your skin, removing all the dead skin cells, cleaning up your pores, and it also actually goes into the deeper layers of your skin to clean up your pores from deep within. So if you have acne, pimples, it will help in breaking that down, dealing with the excess sebum production, and just leaving you with squeaky clean, amazing skin. Now I know the word used here is acid, and if you've never used beta hydroxy acids, or don't know about it before, it may seem a little scary, but honestly salicylic acid is one of the safest ingredients you can use. It's also something which is recommended by dermatologists all over. It's heavily researched. It's amazing for your skin, guys. People with sensitive skin can also use salicylic acid actually. People with oily skin, it's particularly recommended a lot for people with oily skin. Over people with combination skin, people who are prone to breakouts, acne, blackheads, whiteheads, redness, salicylic acid can literally transform your skin, guys. It is that good, because obviously when your skin is cleaner, number one, it looks fresh, it looks cleaner, it looks better. Your skin is also able to heal and repair itself better. Your skincare products can also work much better because now the skin is clean. So salicylic acid, personally, I have experienced this, guys. To be honest, salicylic acid is something that has literally transformed my skin. It's amazing. It's an amazing thing to use for any skincare routine, to be very honest. Now let me show this product to you up close. I've actually been waiting for it to launch in India for the longest time, so the product up close, there's the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Creme. As some of you might have already guessed, this is the latest addition to an already existing range from L'Oreal Paris. So currently I'm actually using the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence, which I've talked about for so many times on my channel. I have already emptied this one bottle, this old bottle I've already emptied. Do you see that? And now I have a new bottle now. So this is something which has been my go-to product, and I was waiting for this gel creme to launch in India because number one, we don't have any major salicylic acid creams in the market, right? And the Indian market needs it. Our pores tend to get really clogged because of the sweat, the pollution and everything. So it actually penetrates the skin 10 layers deep. Yes guys, 10 layers deep. I know some of you last time had questions about how many layers does the skin even have. So I will share a link of a clinical test in the description box below where you can find out about the different skin cells within the epidermis and the different layers, so you'll understand it better. So yes, this product actually goes 10 layers deep into the skin. It deeply refines your skin's pores. It purifies the pores, and all of this is happening not just on the surface level, mind you. It's actually happening at a much deeper level as well. It also minimizes the pores. So all of this results in very clean, crystal clear looking skin, something that we all really want. You can actually get that because it does it at a much deeper level. Let's understand something about pores here, okay? Pores are basically what? Like, to keep it in the simplest terms, okay? In the simplest possible way, if I have to explain this, pores are like these tiny holes, okay? And when you're sweating through these pores, all right? So sweat can also get clogged, by the way. And then, of course, the sebum production, which is basically your body's natural oil production. Now people with oily skin, they have excess sebum production. People with combination skin, they will have excess sebum production in certain areas of their face. So this sebum production, excess sebum production can also clog your pores, and if you don't remove this clog, okay, all these kind of problems like blackheads, whiteheads, acne, breakouts, stuff like that. Now there's something that salicylic acid can, like I just said, deal with very well, okay? Now let me show you the texture of this cream. I've already shown you the packaging. Let me show you the texture now. It's basically a water-based oil-free formulation, and if you see this up close, it's actually super lightweight and comfortable on the skin. The skin actually absorbs this very quickly, and the skin just feels oil free. You don't end up with breakouts and things like that. And how to actually use this product? Well, let me just show you how to apply it correctly. I have already washed my face, so obviously remove your makeup, wash your face, all of that. And like I said, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence, because it's such an amazing formula, guys. Just dab it on your skin like this. Okay, so now that I'm done applying the Crystal Micro Essence, let me just put the cap back. I'm now going to apply the cream. Now, how do you apply this? Just take like a pea-sized amount. Don't take a lot. Let me show this to you. So just a small pea-sized amount. Okay, you can make little dots all over. And just very gently massage it all in. And that's it. Let me just show you how my skin is looking up close. So like we just discussed, right, this cream penetrates 10 layers deep. It contains salicylic acid. It purifies, refines and minimizes the pores, which instantly gives you that clean, crystal clear look. Your skin starts looking so much better. It also, by the way, controls oil for up to 8 hours. That's a lot of oil control, and if you use it twice a day as a part of your AM/PM routine, you're kind of sorted, right? So all the clogged pores, all the excess sebum production can do you no harm, because this cream is taking care of everything. By the way, before making this video, I actually want to do some research on this cream as well. Now, when I was reading about this cream, I also found out that this cream has actually been validated and endorsed by the amazing dermatologist. You might have even heard about her, Dr. Ophelia. She's an award-winning cosmetic dermatologist. She's known for her brilliant work in cosmetic dermatology, in general dermatology, and she talks a lot about natural, youthful looking skin, good skin, how to take care of your skin and things like that. And I was like, oh my god, I'm already a fan and I love this range. So yeah, that is the whole reason why I couldn't wait for this cream to get launched, and now that it's here, I had to talk about it. Also, by the way, guys, this cream is free of parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes, and it's completely non-comedogenic. So let me show you once again what my skin is looking like up close. Here's how it's looking. It's been a couple of seconds or a minute maybe since I applied the cream. So this is how it has settled into my skin. And if you do want to check out this cream, guys, I will put the link in the description box below. Do check it out. I think especially for people with oily skin, acne prone skin, combination skin, this can be such a great discovery. Although salicylic acid is something which I would say is great for everyone, especially for people with these skin types, I think you must check it out. Talking about the prices, by the way, this gel cream is available in 2 sizes. The 15 ml jar retails for rupees 299, and then the 50 ml jar, which I have right here, retails for rupees 699. That's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to share in today's quick video. So yes, my skincare routine for the day has been done. Morning routine, evening routine, you can of course repeat the process and do the same thing. And I'm gonna end this video now, guys. If you still have any questions, if I missed out anything, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to know what your questions are, what your queries are, help you out. And also in the meanwhile, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now, guys. Bye-bye.